Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this thumbnail using Canva and Phonto on my iPhone for free. So let's get right into the video. The first thing that we're going to do is go into Canva, and in the search bar, you're going to search YouTube thumbnail. And then you're going to click on the blank one, that's the first one right there. And these are some options they give you, but we're going to make ours from scratch. So you're going to click on elements and you're going to scroll until you find the word grids with all these options. Click see all and you can use any of these, but we're going to use the one with 4 for this video. Then you're going to find where it says spacing and you are going to move it all the way down to 0. From there, you are going to click on camera roll and you are going to click add to each of the photos you want. So you're going to click on camera roll, click on the photo you want, click add to page and drag it into the grid that you want it to be in. Once you're done with that, at this point you can move them around, zoom in, do whatever you need to do to the photos. So you are going to double tap on each of the photos, and from here you can zoom in, you can move them around, and you can adjust them. That's what you're going to see me doing here. Once everything looks the way you want it to, in the up-hand right corner, you're going to see an arrow up and you're going to click on that, make sure it's in PNG and hit download. Then we are going to download the fonts that we need for the thumbnail. So you are going to go to your search engine and search the font and it's going to pop up this screen. And in the corner, you're going to see a search bar and you're going to type in keep on truckin'. Then you're going to click on where it says search and the font should pop up. In the corner, you're going to see a button that says download. You're going to click on that and then click download again. Then the other font that we need is called Lemon Milk Medium. So you're going to go back to your search bar and you're going to search that. And then we're going to do the same steps again and you're going to click download and then click download again. And from here, you are going to go into your Files app that comes with your phone, and you're going to hold down on the font, click Share, and then click Phonto. And this font's already installed, so I'm going to show you one that isn't installed. So I just went back to the font and just downloaded a random font, just so I could show you. You're going to hold down on the font again, click Share, go back to Phonto, and it's going to say Install. You click that, and then you'll have the font installed. From there, we are going to go into Phonto to actually add those fonts. So you're going to click on the camera and you're going to click Photo Albums and click the photo that we just made in Canva. From here, you can tap anywhere and it'll say add text and you're going to type in the name or the title that you want on the thumbnail. So for this one, I am writing Summer Day Vlog. Then once you're done typing it in, you'll see an option that says font. And we're going to scroll until we find that first font that we downloaded called Keep on Truckin', and this is how it looks. Then you can click size and make it as big or as small as you want. For this, I'm just making it bigger, but you're going to see me adjust it a little bit. A lot of this is trial and error to see what works for your thumbnail. Then we are going to click on style and you are going to click on stroke, turn it to black, and make the width as thick as you'd like. And then to add a shadow like you just saw me do, at the top you're going to see an option that says color and style. You're going to click on style and then you're going to see an option that says alpha and you're going to put it all the way to 100. Then we're going to add the mini text that you saw around the thumbnail. So for the first image, I'm typing in meal prep and this is where we're going to find that font we downloaded called Lemon Milk Medium. And we're going to do the same thing we did earlier. We're going to click on stroke and then click on the color you want. I use black and put your width to about 10 or whatever looks best for yours. Then we're going to go to style and you are going to find spacing and you're going to make the spacing a little bit longer. I put it to 10, but that is completely optional. Like I said before, a lot of this is trial and error. And we're going to go back to style, click on shadow and put the alpha all the way to 100. Then I'm going to size the meal prep down. You have the option to click that move button and this screen will pop up where you can move it slightly, and it's a really helpful tool to move it around, and that's what you're going to see me do here. Then I'm just going to click on the meal prep and hit duplicate, and then we're going to type in for the second image, which we're typing in new hair. And then we're going to click on curve. So you're going to scroll like I did, and you're going to curve it to match your image. For this, I'm just going to be doing, again, a lot of trial and error. As you can see right now, I put it to -12, but it's going to need to be curved more. I'm also going to size it down, and we're going to hit tilt, and we're going to tilt it so that it's in the negative so it matches her hair. So I'm just going to let you watch and follow along because it's kind of hard to explain because it's different for each thumbnail, but pretty much I'm just messing with the curve to get it so that it matches her head, and I'm also clicking on where it says tilt and tilting it so that it's the correct angle. So I'm just going to let you watch for me. Once I get that the way I want it to look, I'm going to click on the meal prep one again, and I'm just clicking duplicate, and I'm deleting the text, and for this one I'm typing in beach day, and this is going on the third image, and I'm just moving it so it's near the water and the sand. And again, I'm doing the same thing where I'm messing with the curve and the tilt. It all depends on the look you're going for and how your thumbnail looks. So I'm gonna kind of let you guys watch like I said before, and you can just watch me play around with the tilt and the curve. From there, we are going to click duplicate again, and this time we're doing it on the beach day one because it's similar to the way that I want the nails one to look. And for this one, we're just going to type in nails, and again, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to higher the spacing a little bit, so again, you would click on it, click on style, and then click on style again, and you would click on where it says spacing. You can kind of follow along to what I'm doing. I'm just trying to extend it so it kind of goes as long as the nails, as you can see I'm doing here. As you can see, it really is a lot of trial and error. The options that you're seeing here where it says text, font, style, tilt, curve, and all those different options, the one that has the majority of the stuff that you're going to need for this is under style, and you can see it here. It says style, and then you have your stroke option. You can change the colors under that. You can change the spacing. You can change the letter spacing and the line spacing, and you have all these different options. The curve option is the one that making the text either go up or down, and the tilt is the one that makes it change angles. But you have all these different options. You have spacing, underline, blend. For this, all we really use is tilt, curve, spacing, and stroke and shadow. If you're interested in learning more on the other elements and how to use Phonto better, in another video I can go more in detail about that, because there definitely is a lot to learn within Phonto. Then we are going to click on the up arrow and click save image, and then that's going to be the final thumbnail.